Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mike at Das Trucks here with another walk around video. If you'd like to stay up to date on our current and active inventory, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And if you like what you're seeing, do hit that like button. Today's truck is a 2007 Ford E-450 Super Duty. This one's got 183,565 miles. It's been fully inspected and it's ready to work. It's got a 14-foot box with 2 feet of overhead space, and I'll get into that a little further once we get into the box. But we'll start off with the wheels and tires here. The wheels have been repainted. Plenty of life on those tires, and that box has been repainted as well. Moving along here, a really cool feature that this truck has right down over here is a storage unit. If we just open this one, got a little storage compartment over here. Let's check out those dual rear wheels. Getting a great amount of life on those as well. Checking out that 14-foot box, here's your ramp. The box is in great condition. Just move on over here. I'll show you that 2 feet overhead space. All right. Let's keep moving along. We'll go over to the passenger side of the truck. Let's check out those tires. Plenty of life left on those. And here's that storage unit that I wanted to show you all. Make sure to hook it up on one side so that you can open it easily here. There you are. Let's check out these front passenger side tires. Right on, let's move over to the interior. Alrighty, this truck has been detailed. The interior and under the hood. It's in great condition. Let's hop inside. There we are. Right, let's start her up. And then here's your 183,865 miles. This truck does have an AM/FM radio. Cool, let's check out the engine. This truck is equipped with a 6.8 liter Triton V10. Coupled with a 5-speed automatic transmission. All the filters and fluids have been changed. And that'll do it for your 2007 Ford E-450 Super Duty. If you'd like to find out more information about this truck, the link to our website will be in the description below, as well as our phone number where you can contact us. Now, as always, thank you all for watching and have a great one.